Everyone is telling you how to grow your YouTube channel and they are giving you multiple ways, multiple ideas, but they are not showing you everything. In this video, I'm revealing the secret things they actually do but never talk about. I have got 4 of them and number 4 is my personal favorite. This won't be a long video, so don't skip a second or you might miss everything. Number 1. Red-green thumbnails. Check out this 2 creators channel. Around 80% of their thumbnails look like this. Why? Are red and green their favorite colors? Absolutely not. The real reason is simple. It's all about grabbing attentions and quickly telling viewers this is the video you have been searching for. Take a look at the thumbnail. There is no clutter. Just a clean black background, bold text, a sad emoji, a plate and a carefully chosen colors. All of it is designed to communicate something instantly. And once a viewer sees this kind of thumbnail, it's hard to scroll next. Number 2. Create a good intro. If you make a good and clickable thumbnail, but your video starts off weak, you have already lost the viewer. The thumbnail did its job, it got their attention, but now it's your intro that decides whether they will keep watching or click away. This is where most creators mess up. You need to hook the viewer instantly by sparking curiosity or making a bold promise. Set a clear expectation about what they will get if they keep watching. If it's dramatic, mysterious or result driven, your intro needs to deliver that same vibe right away. A great intro isn't about fancy editing, it's about grabbing attention and building trust fast. Because if the thumbnail is the bait, your intro is the hook. Number 3. Build hype. Maybe you create a good intro, but if the energy drops right after, viewers are gone. You have hooked them, sure, but now it's time to build hype. Keep the momentum going. Every second should feel like it's leading to something bigger. The music, your voice, your cuts, everything should scream. You need to see what's next. This is where you turn interest into excitement. Don't explain too much. Don't slow down. Tease what's coming. Raise the stakes. Create tension. Ask questions. Drop hints. Build curiosity. Viewers should feel like they can't look away. Like skipping even 5 seconds means they will miss something epic. That's how you create Bing-worthy content. Good intros get clicks. Hype keeps people watching. And now let's see the last and my favorite, doing consistency. Everyone talks about thumbnails, intro, editing, but none of that matters if you are not consistent. It's not about going viral once, it's about showing up again and again, getting better every time. When you post regularly, you are not just feeding the algorithm, you are building trust. Your audience start to expect you, they come back, they bing, they share. You start to find your rhythm, your voice, your style, and the best part, every video becomes a stepping stone. So yeah, you made a great thumbnail, nailed your intro, built the hype, now do it again and again and again, because the creators who stay up in the game, they are the ones who finish it.